One of the worst things was just walking up a flight of stairs and getting to the top of the stairs and feeling puffed, like a lot of people. I consider it was possibly as I was getting older, and didn't really think nothing of it at that particular time.